Welcome, fellow creators, to our cosmic journey of manifestation and spiritual empowerment. Today, we're delving into a rare and potent technique from the master manifester himself, Neville Goddard. Get ready to discover how to manifest so fast, it's downright scary. Now, let's unravel the mysteries of rapid manifestation. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that we stay motivated to share the best content. This is a quick shout out to a fantastic new channel called More Power that's all about manifesting and creating your dream life. If you're into manifesting abundance and positive vibes, you've got to check them out. Click the link in the description to subscribe and join the manifestation journey. Let's support each other on this path to greatness. In the realm of manifestation, speed is often crucial. We've all experienced moments where we wish our desires would materialize at a breathtaking pace. Neville Goddard offers a rare technique that allows you to manifest so fast. It's frightening. But why the need for speed? Neville's teachings emphasize living in the end, assuming the feelings of the wish fulfilled. However, this rare technique takes it a step further, accelerating the manifestation process to levels that might leave you in awe. Before we dive into the techniques, let's briefly revisit the connection between the quantum field and consciousness. According to quantum physics, the universe is composed of an infinite sea of energy known as the quantum field. This field is influenced by consciousness, meaning that your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions shape the reality you experience. By understanding and harnessing the power of your consciousness, you can actively participate in the creation of your reality. The first step in mastering advanced manifestation techniques is to expand your awareness. This involves cultivating a deep understanding of your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, as well as their impact on your reality. Take time to observe your inner dialogue and identify any limiting beliefs or subconscious patterns that may be holding you back from manifesting your desires. By bringing these patterns into conscious awareness, you can begin to transform them and align your consciousness with your desired outcomes. Visualization and imagination are powerful tools for manifesting your desires rapidly. Take time each day to visualize your goals as if they have already been achieved. Engage all of your senses in the process, imagining how it would look, feel, and sound to experience your desires fully. By vividly picturing your desired outcomes, you are sending a clear signal to the quantum field and aligning your consciousness with the reality you wish to create. Affirmations and mantras are another effective way to program your subconscious mind for rapid manifestation. Choose affirmations that are aligned with your desires and repeat them daily with conviction and belief. For example, if your goal is to attract abundance into your life, you might repeat affirmations such as, "I am worthy of abundance," or "money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly." By consistently affirming positive beliefs, you are reprogramming your subconscious mind and reinforcing the reality you wish to experience. Emotional mastery is essential for rapid manifestation. Your emotions act as powerful energetic signals that either attract or repel your desires. Practice cultivating positive emotions such as gratitude, joy, and love, even in the face of challenges or setbacks. By maintaining a high vibrational frequency, you are aligning yourself with the abundance and opportunities that you seek to manifest. Additionally, learn to release any negative emotions or limiting beliefs that may be blocking your manifestations. Techniques such as meditation, breathwork, and energy healing can be valuable tools for clearing emotional blockages and restoring energetic balance. To manifest rapidly, it's crucial to align yourself with the universal laws that govern creation. One of the most fundamental laws is the law of resonance, which states that like attracts like. To leverage this law in your favor, focus on embodying the qualities and characteristics of the reality you wish to create. For example, if you desire more abundance in your life, cultivate a mindset of abundance and generosity. By embodying the energy of abundance, you naturally attract more abundance into your life. One of the most powerful techniques for rapid manifestation is letting go and surrendering to the flow of the universe. While it's important to set clear intentions and take inspired action towards your goals, It's equally important to release attachment to the outcome and trust in the divine timing of the universe. Surrendering doesn't mean giving up or being passive. Rather, it means relinquishing control and allowing things to unfold naturally. When you surrender to the flow of life, you open yourself up to infinite possibilities and allow miracles to manifest with ease and grace. As you explore these advanced manifestation techniques, remember that mastery comes through integration and practice. Experiment with different methods and find what resonates best with you. Consistency is key, so make a daily practice of visualizing, affirming, and embodying the reality you wish to create. Trust in the process and have faith that the universe is conspiring in your favor. With dedication, patience, and an unwavering belief in your creative power, you can manifest your desires with astonishing speed and precision. At the heart of rapid manifestation lies the power of intention, the conscious direction of your thoughts and energy towards a desired outcome. Intention acts as the guiding force that shapes your reality and magnetizes your desires towards you. To harness the full power of intention, it's essential to cultivate clarity and focus in your desires. Take time to reflect on what you truly want to manifest in your life and set clear, specific intentions that align with your highest vision. By infusing your intentions with passion, purpose, and unwavering belief, you activate the quantum field and pave the way for miraculous manifestations to unfold. The law of attraction is a fundamental principle of manifestation that states like attracts like. In essence, the energy you emit, whether positive or negative, acts as a magnetic force that draws corresponding experiences and circumstances into your life. To leverage the law of attraction for rapid manifestation, it's essential to align your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with the reality you wish to create. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, gratitude, and possibility, and consciously choose thoughts and emotions that resonate with your desired outcomes. By consistently radiating positive energy and maintaining a high vibrational frequency, you effortlessly attract the people, opportunities, and experiences that align with your intentions. Conscious creation is the art of deliberately shaping your reality through focused intention and aligned action. It involves taking full responsibility for your thoughts, emotions, and choices, and recognizing that you are the ultimate creator of your experience. To become a conscious creator, it's essential to cultivate self-awareness and mindfulness in every moment. Pay attention to the thoughts you entertain, the emotions you experience, and the actions you take, ensuring that they are in alignment with your desired outcomes. By staying present and conscious of your inner world, you gain greater control over your external reality and unlock the power to manifest with intention and purpose. The quantum mind is the bridge between your conscious and subconscious awareness, serving as the gateway to infinite possibilities and creative potential. Unlike the analytical mind, which operates within the confines of linear thinking and logic, the quantum mind transcends time, space, and limitation, tapping into the boundless realm of the quantum field. To activate your quantum mind for rapid manifestation, it's essential to engage in practices that expand your consciousness and elevate your vibration. Meditation, visualization, and energy work are powerful tools for accessing the quantum realm and aligning with the frequency of your desires. By quieting the chatter of the analytical mind and tuning into the wisdom of your quantum mind, you gain access to higher levels of insight, intuition, and inspiration, guiding you towards your most expansive manifestations. Gratitude is a potent catalyst for manifestation, amplifying your ability to attract blessings and abundance into your life. When you express gratitude for what you have and what is yet to come, you open yourself up to the flow of universal blessings and align with the frequency of abundance. To harness the power of gratitude for rapid manifestation, make it a daily practice to cultivate an attitude of appreciation and thanksgiving. Take time each day to acknowledge the blessings in your life, both big and small, and express heartfelt gratitude for them. By focusing your attention on what you are grateful for, you shift your energy towards positivity and abundance, creating a magnetic field that draws more blessings. Releasing attachment to outcomes and trusting in the wisdom of the universe. It involves letting go of the need to control every aspect of your life and allowing things to unfold naturally in accordance with divine timing. To master the power of surrender for rapid manifestation, cultivate a deep sense of trust and faith in the universe. Surrender doesn't mean giving up on your desires. Rather, it's about relinquishing resistance and allowing the universe to orchestrate the perfect unfolding of your manifestations. By surrendering to the flow of life, you align with the inherent intelligence of the universe and open yourself up to limitless possibilities and opportunities. Alignment is the state of harmonizing your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcomes. When you are in alignment with your desires, you create a powerful energetic resonance that magnetizes your manifestations towards you with effortless ease. To achieve alignment for rapid manifestation, it's essential to maintain a clear and unwavering focus on your intentions while taking inspired action towards your goals. Pay attention to the thoughts you think, the emotions you feel, and the actions you take, ensuring that they are all in alignment with the reality you wish to create. By consistently aligning your energy with your desires, you create a powerful vortex of attraction that draws your manifestations towards you with breathtaking speed and precision. Action is the final piece of the manifestation puzzle, serving as the bridge between intention and manifestation. While setting intentions and aligning your energy are essential components of manifestation, they must be supported by inspired action to bring your desires into physical form. To manifest rapidly, it's essential to take decisive action towards your goals while remaining open to unexpected opportunities and synchronicities along the way. Trust in the guidance of your intuition and follow the path of least resistance, allowing the universe to effortlessly orchestrate the perfect unfolding of your manifestations. By taking inspired action from a place of alignment and authenticity, you catalyze the manifestation process and bring your desires into reality with astonishing speed and grace. At the core of rapid manifestation lies the quantum realm, a domain of infinite potentiality where thoughts become things and intentions shape reality. To harness the power of quantum intent, it's essential to transcend the limitations of linear thinking and tap into the quantum field of pure potentiality. Begin by expanding your awareness beyond the confines of time and space, allowing yourself to connect with the timeless realm of quantum possibility. Visualize your desires as already manifested in the quantum field and infuse them with the energy of intention and expectation. By aligning your thoughts and emotions with the frequency of your desired outcomes, you activate the quantum law of resonance and draw your manifestations into physical form with astonishing speed and precision. Visualization is a potent tool for manifesting your desires, allowing you to create a vivid mental image of your desired reality and align your subconscious mind with your conscious intentions. To master the art of quantum visualization, begin by quieting your mind and entering a relaxed state of consciousness. Close your eyes and visualize your desired outcome with crystal clarity, immersing yourself in the sights, sounds, and sensations of your manifested reality. Engage all your senses in the visualization process, allowing yourself to experience the joy, excitement, and fulfillment of your desires as if they were already real. By consistently practicing quantum visualization and maintaining a deep emotional connection to your desired outcomes, you program your subconscious mind for success and pave the way for rapid manifestation to occur. Affirmations are powerful statements that affirm the reality you wish to create, serving as potent catalysts for manifestation when infused with the energy of intention and belief. To leverage the power of quantum affirmations, craft positive, present-tense statements that affirm the fulfillment of your desires in the here and now. Repeat your affirmations with conviction and enthusiasm, feeling the energy of each word reverberate throughout your being and resonate with the frequency of your desired outcomes. Immerse yourself in the feeling of already having manifested your desires, allowing the energy of your affirmations to permeate every cell of your being and align you with the quantum field of infinite possibility. By consistently reinforcing your desired reality through quantum affirmations, you amplify the creative power of your intentions and accelerate the manifestation process with remarkable speed. Is an advanced manifestation strategy that involves bypassing traditional timelines and quantum leaping directly to your desired outcome. To practice the quantum leap technique, begin by entering a deep state of relaxation and connecting with the quantum field of infinite possibility. Visualize your desired outcome as already manifested, feeling the emotions of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment that accompany its realization. Then, imagine yourself taking a quantum leap into this desired reality, transcending time and space, and arriving instantaneously at your destination. By aligning your consciousness with the frequency of your desired outcome and bypassing the limitations of linear time, you collapse the usual timelines of manifestation and bring your desires into physical form with breathtaking speed and precision. Gratitude is a potent force for manifestation, serving as a magnet for abundance and blessings when cultivated with sincerity and authenticity. To harness the power of gratitude for rapid manifestation, cultivate a daily practice of gratitude that focuses on acknowledging and appreciating the blessings in your life. Take time each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for, both big and small, and express heartfelt thanks for them. By aligning your energy with the frequency of gratitude, you create a powerful vibrational resonance that attracts more blessings and abundance into your life. Gratitude also serves as a powerful antidote to resistance and doubt, helping you to maintain a positive mindset and stay aligned with the frequency of your desired outcomes. The quantum flow state is a state of heightened consciousness and alignment with the quantum field, where synchronicities abound and manifestations unfold effortlessly. To enter the quantum flow state, it's essential to cultivate a deep sense of presence and mindfulness in every moment. Practice mindfulness, meditation, breathwork, and energy techniques to quiet the mind and open yourself up to the flow of universal energy. By surrendering to the flow of life and trusting in the intelligence of the universe, you allow manifestations to unfold with divine timing and precision. The quantum flow state is characterized by a sense of ease, grace, and synchronicity, where miracles become the natural order of reality and manifestations manifest with astonishing speed and efficiency. Inspired action is the final piece of the manifestation puzzle, serving as the bridge between intention and manifestation. While setting intentions and aligning your energy are essential components of manifestation, they must be supported by inspired action to bring your desires into physical form. To manifest rapidly, it's essential to take inspired action towards your goals while remaining open to the guidance of the universe. Trust in your intuition and follow the path of least resistance, allowing synchronicities and opportunities to unfold naturally along the way. By taking aligned action from a place of trust and authenticity, you catalyze the manifestation process and bring your desires into reality with remarkable speed and precision. You must watch our latest video on the topic, Law of Attraction Accelerator, Desires Flow to You. In this video, we explore the groundbreaking teachings of Gregg Braden and how to accelerate the manifestation of your desires using the power of the full body experience. Click on the I button on the top right corner of the video for the link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on their journey. As we conclude our exploration of advanced manifestation techniques, we invite you to embrace the infinite potential of your creative power. You are a divine being with the ability to manifest your deepest desires with breathtaking speed and efficiency. By mastering the art of intention, alignment, and action, you unlock the full potential of your consciousness and co-create a reality that reflects your highest vision. Trust in the wisdom of the universe and know that you are always supported in your journey of manifestation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative adventure. May your manifestations unfold with grace and beauty, and may you continue to manifest your dreams with unstoppable momentum.